In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Ads account without setting up a campaign. First, go to ads.google.com. Then in the home page of Google Ads, go to the top right corner and click Start Now. Then you will see a small pop-up window asking you to create your first campaign. Don't worry, just click Create Your First Campaign. We'll skip it later when it requests us to create a campaign. Then enter the name of your business and your website or your phone number, depending on where you want people to be directed when they click on your ads. After that, skip everything, including your campaign. You can set it up later in your settings if you want. So I'll click on Leave Campaign Creation for now. Then choose your billing country and select Yes or No for their email updates. After that, click on Create New Payment Profile, enter your details, and hit Save. Then add your payment method, enter all your card information exactly as it appears on your card, and hit Save Card. Then click Submit, and your Google Ads account will be created without launching any ads. And that's it. That's how you create a Google Ads account without a campaign. Thanks for watching.